Well, we're at a waterfall now. It's a nice little waterfall. Yeah. Look at that. Very nice. Waterfalls here. This here coming up. Well, it may have the sunlight in my face in front of the camera, but there's a little waterfall back here, but it's not as nice as the waterfall that we saw a little bit earlier here. This one's a little hard to see here, but anyhow, it's back there. You may not be able to see it. Of course, this is Ed Getley reporting Am One Man Travel. Be nice if you subscribed. I'd really appreciate it. All right, Ed Getley signing out. Bye-bye.
You are here alive. You've been passing through a lot of things in your life, but it's amazing that you finally made it. We are here together. We are lucky. We are blessed. We are healthy. Many of you decided to come here a long time ago, but we are here, and we need to be present. We need to be conscious. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel where you're stepping on. Sorry. We refuse to give up. We all made it uphill and downhill. We appreciate our legs, knees, and the rest of our bodies that allowed us to do it. We experience great companionship. We taste great food. We came to a country without knowing what to expect because of the butterflies, and now you can understand why these butterflies connect the 3 different countries, because we are here because of them. So we are very grateful to you also, because you decided to join us, and we achieved it. Feel proud of yourselves, because on different levels of effort we were able to go to the top of the mountains and have sort of a magical and a spiritual experience, and with the background of the waterfall sounds. Just give thanks, because we are together. We are now new members of a bigger family, and as we said earlier, we are trying to be part of the solution and not part of the problem.
This is just a little walk by those waterfalls, the one where we couldn't see too much of, and we're walking back to the bus now, and pulled my mask down. There's nobody around. Very nice morning. A little bit warmer here, so I don't need a jacket or anything on. It's a little uphill. Gotta walk back up the steps, but I'm going to try to do another vid at the nice waterfalls. All right. Well, coming back into the section where the waterfalls are, because we're going to heading back up to the bus. I still have my mask on. I'm going to pull it down here and watch my step. It might be a little slippery here. And there's the waterfalls, as I said. And we're going to hold this here. You can see me in the back there with the waterfalls. There it is. All right, we're here, and in Mexico, warm day. I may even have to take my shirt off later and just do the t-shirt. But yep, there it is. Nice waterfall here. Very nice. We got the bridge here. Walking across, picking them up, putting them down, picking them up, putting them down. That's the story of my life here. Picking them up, putting them down. And we got the waterfall here. The sun's in the lens here. And there we go. Very nice. All right. right. I'm going to come back up here, watch my step, and I'm going to turn the camera off. All right.